What's going on, stackers? So in this video I just wanted to share my results from last month in November because it was my best month ever selling low and no content books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then don't forget to check out that link down in the description below to go through to our courses. You can also get there by going to StackinProfit.com/courses. So, November was my best month ever to date, and as you can see, I did over £3,000 just in royalties. Now, not all of this is profit because I was running ads, and I think last month is the most I've ever spent on ads as well. So what we're going to do in a minute is go over to my 2 ad accounts where I'm running ads, and then take away the ad spend from this so we can see my profit. Now, first of all, I just want to change this back to USD. So let's just go there for a second, back to there, and then back to historical. So let that load up for a second. You can see from the run-up that I had in November, well, you can see the run-up to how much I was making, and then my best day was at the end of the month where I did $241. Now, I will have another video coming out very soon about my sales this month, because sales this month have completely exploded and are going really great. Now, if we actually go to here on earnings, if we click on that, we can click on units sold, so we can see how many books I was selling every single day. So, first of the month, I only sold 21. Then 31, and as you can see, it just kept going up. Right here, I sold 67 units, 38, 80, all the way up to 133 and 140. Now again, this month has completely exploded, and I have sold over 200 units in one day, which completely blows me away. Now, if we actually scroll down to here, you can see the pie chart just there. And if we stop here, we can see the different marketplaces where I have been selling. Now, as you probably know or have heard, we can now sell our books over in Canada, and believe it or not, some of my books have been doing pretty well over there. So last month I sold 4.8% of my books in Canada, 35% here in the UK, and then 59% on Amazon.com. And if we look just here, my best-selling book was this one, where I sold 306 units and made $834. 336 units on this one, and then $729 there. And then this one just here is my best-selling book for the month, only in units sold, not in royalties received. So as you can see, I sold 592 copies or units and made $715. That is because this one is one of my kids' books. It's coloured interior, and there's actually quite a lot of different pages in there. And then obviously with coloured interiors, once you hit over 40 pages, the price for printing increases quite a lot. So that's why my royalties are pretty low on this one, and it looks like they're not very good. But that is the reason why. But again, 592 units sold and $715 made. So I'm extremely happy for November. I can't wait for January to receive all these royalties. $3,878 I'm extremely happy about. Like I said, all of this right here is not actually profit because I was running ads, and I also think that last month is the most I've ever spent on advertising. So let's take up the calculator, or pull out the calculator and do that. So 3878.16 take away, and then let's go over to my ads account. So I've already pulled up last month, which is just here. Let's do that again. So last month, we can see I sold, or I spent $538. So let's take that. So 3878 take away 538.20 take away. So that is for my US ads account, and then I have been running them in the UK as well, and I spent £333. So if we go over to Google and convert that to dollars, we can see that's around 439. So let's take that away as well. 439.18 equals $2,900. So out of all of this just here, which is 3,878, my complete take-home royalties is 2,900. So again, I'm extremely happy about this. Now, even though this is my royalties earned, which will be going into my bank, I will be getting all of this, obviously, but then I did spend that as well. I still have a few other expenses which I have not put in here, because that's nothing to actually do with my royalties, like my Canva, my Creative Fabrica, and a few other things as well. But that is my royalties that I have earned for November. I'm extremely happy about this. If you're having a really good Q4, a good November, let me know by dropping a comment down below. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.